Once, in a sunny meadow, a little ant named Andy found a big piece of cake. He wanted to keep it all to himself, but it was too heavy to carry alone. His friends offered to help, but only if he shared. Reluctantly, Andy agreed. Together, they carried the cake and enjoyed a wonderful feast. Andy realized sharing made the cake taste even better. Moral: sharing makes everything better.
To know how to make animated story videos like this in Canva, make sure you watch this video till the very end. First of all, we need a script for these videos. For this purpose, I used ChatGPT. I asked it to give a short story for kids with morals. It gave me a story, but it was long to include in this video, so I asked it to give a shorter story, and then I received this story. You can now record the story in your own voice or use tools available on the internet for text-to-audio conversion. Now that we have our audio, let's go to Canva. Click here on Video. First, we need to import our audio. On the left, click on Uploads and go to Audio. Click on Upload Files and select your audio file. I have already imported it. Click on the audio file and it will be added to your project. You might need to add pages to view the entire audio. You can also trim the initial silences from the audio. I will now listen to the audio and make sure that there is a new page for every new sentence. Now that we are done, we will edit the video according to every sentence. For the first part, we will click on Elements and look for a sunny meadow. Click on Graphics. You can scroll and select any image that you like. I think this one is good. Let's add it to our page. Adjust the image size as per requirement. Let us search for ants. Go to Filters and select Animated. Unfortunately, we have only one animated element, but we will sort it out later. Let us add these animated ants and adjust them. Let us find a cake and add it to our page. We will keep the cake stationary. Now search for our ant. Add any image to the frame. We want this ant to move towards the cake. Select the ant and click Animate. Click here on Create an Animation. Hold the Shift key on your keyboard and drag the ant using your mouse. This will define the path for the ant's movement. In Styles, select Steady. You can adjust the speed from here. Click Done. Let's see our video.
Once, in a sunny meadow, a little ant named Andy found a big piece of cake. He wanted to keep...
The first sentence is ready. To make a video for the next sentence, you can simply copy-paste the first page and edit it. For example, here I removed the animated ants, placed the cake on the ant's head, and grouped them. After that, I animated them together and decreased the speed to the minimum to show that the ant is struggling to carry. In a similar way, you can animate all the sentences and make your video. Now, let's see how our final video looks.
A few moments later.
Once, in a sunny meadow, a little ant named Andy found a big piece of cake. He wanted to keep it all to himself, but it was too heavy to carry alone. His friends offered to help, but only if he shared. Reluctantly, Andy agreed. Together, they carried the cake and enjoyed a wonderful feast. Andy realized sharing made the cake taste even better. Moral: sharing makes everything better.
As you can see, we have successfully made our animated video using Canva. If you want to know how to animate stationary photos in Canva, then you can check this video right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching.